Welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjiscope. I'm going to talk about 30 shocking and creepy facts about insects that will, well, shock you to the core. Watch till the end so you don't miss some even more shocking facts. So let's go! 1. Cockroaches can live for a week without their heads. Cockroaches don't breathe through their mouth or nose but through spiracles, tiny holes on each body segment. Their nervous system is decentralized, so removing the head doesn't immediately halt movement. They eventually die from dehydration because they can't drink water without a head. This illustrates their primitive yet effective anatomy and extreme resilience. 2. Male praying mantises can still mate while being eaten alive. The female often decapitates the male during mating, a process called sexual cannibalism. But because the male's nerve ganglia are spread out along the body, his body keeps functioning and mating continues. This ensures reproduction even if the male is being consumed, giving the female nutrients to support future offspring. 3. Ants can survive in a microwave. Ants' tiny bodies are too small to absorb a lethal amount of microwave radiation. Their constant motion and low water content mean they don't heat up the way larger organisms do. They essentially dodge the microwave beams because they move through hot and cold zones. 4. Some wasps turn cockroaches into zombies. The emerald jewel wasp injects venom into a cockroach's brain, specifically targeting the escape reflex. The roach becomes submissive and is led into a burrow where a wasp egg is laid on it. The larva then feeds on the roach alive. This precision neurotoxicity showcases evolution's creepy ingenuity. 5. Dragonflies can predict their prey's movements. With 30,000 individual lenses per eye and highly advanced neural processing, dragonflies use predictive modeling to track prey paths. They don't just follow, they calculate where the prey will be. Their success rate in hunting is around 95%, higher than lions. 6. Houseflies taste with their feet. Their legs have chemoreceptors that sense sugars and other compounds. As soon as they land on food, they taste it through their feet. That's why you'll see them constantly rubbing their legs, cleaning their tasting sensors for better sensitivity. 7. Insects outnumber humans 200 million to 1. With over 10 quintillion insects on Earth at any given time, their overwhelming numbers are due to rapid life cycles, extreme adaptability, and ability to thrive in every ecosystem. Even the harshest environments, like deserts and polar regions, have insects. 8. Some caterpillars eat their siblings. Caterpillars like corn earworms exhibit cannibalism in resource-scarce environments. This behavior reduces competition and boosts survival odds for the strongest. It's a brutal but effective survival strategy in nature's fight for food. 9. Mosquitoes are the deadliest animals on Earth. Female mosquitoes transmit diseases like malaria, dengue, and Zika, killing over 1 million people annually. Ironically, they only seek blood to get proteins for egg development, not for food. This unconscious behavior has catastrophic effects. 10. Bombardier beetles shoot boiling chemicals. These beetles store two chemicals separately. When threatened, they mix them in a chamber, causing an explosive 100 degrees Celsius reaction that blasts the attacker. The beetle even rotates its abdomen to aim. It's an incredible internal defense system. 11. Termites never sleep. Termites operate 24/7 in alternating shifts. Their colonies require continuous work to maintain tunnels, care for eggs, and feed the queen. They rest in micronaps rather than full sleep, maintaining constant activity that ensures colony survival. 12. Bees can recognize human faces. Using a technique similar to human facial recognition, configural processing, bees can identify faces by piecing together patterns. This helps them remember individual flowers and navigate their environment more efficiently. 13. Fleas can jump 200 times their body length. Fleas use resilient, an elastic protein, to store energy like a spring. When released, this energy allows them to launch with incredible acceleration. G-forces up to 100 times their body weight. That's superhero-level leaping power. 14. Some butterflies drink blood. Vampire moths and certain butterflies seek sodium and amino acids, which they can't get from nectar alone. They land on animals, dead bodies, or even humans to drink blood or sweat. This instinct might explain unexplained fears people have towards butterflies. Sometimes our gut knows. 15. Ants have been farming for millions of years. Leafcutter ants cut leaves not to eat them but to feed a cultivated fungus, which they consume. This mutualism has evolved over 50 million years, long before humans invented agriculture. They even use antibiotics to protect their crops. Zombie ants controlled by fungi. The Ophiocordyceps fungus infects ants and manipulates their behavior via chemical control of the nervous system. It forces the ant to climb and bite onto a leaf vein, ensuring ideal spore dispersal when the fungus bursts out. It's nature's horror show. Cicadas can go dormant for 17 years. These insects remain underground as nymphs, feeding on root sap. After exactly 13 or 17 years, prime numbers to avoid sync with predators, they emerge, mate en masse, and die shortly after. Their emergence floods ecosystems and overwhelms predators. Male moths can smell females from 7 miles away. Male moths have feathered antennae filled with sensory receptors that detect even single molecules of female pheromones. Their sense of smell is so acute that they can home in on a mate miles away, even in complete darkness. Flies defecate constantly. With liquid diets and fast metabolism, houseflies process food quickly, defecating frequently. This, combined with their love for trash and feces, makes them major disease vectors. Every time they land, they may leave behind pathogens. Insects make up 80% of all known animal species. Over 1 million insect species have been documented, with many more undiscovered. Their success is tied to rapid evolution, diverse diets, and adaptability. From deserts to rainforests, they occupy nearly every ecological niche. Firefly larvae are cannibals. These larvae feed on slugs, snails, and even siblings. Cannibalism gives them a protein boost that helps fuel their metamorphosis into adults. In the insect world, survival often outweighs family bonds. Beetles are the most diverse group of animals. With over 400,000 species, beetles exist in nearly every habitat. Their success comes from hardened forewings known as elytra that protect their delicate flight wings, and an unmatched ability to specialize in different ecological roles. Cockroaches can hold their breath for 40 minutes. They do this to conserve water, not necessarily oxygen. By closing spiracles, they reduce moisture loss. This adaptation helps them survive in dry or toxic environments. It's one reason they're nearly impossible to kill. Bullet ant stings are excruciating. The sting injects ponerotoxin, which interferes with voltage-gated sodium channels in nerves. This causes waves of pain lasting up to 24 hours. Tribes like the Sateri Maw use it in initiation rituals due to its intensity. Flowers trick male wasps into mating. Certain orchids resemble and emit the scent of female wasps. Males attempt to mate and inadvertently collect and spread pollen. This strategy, called sexual deception, illustrates how plants exploit animal behavior to reproduce. Stick insects can clone themselves. In the absence of males, some species reproduce asexually through parthenogenesis. The female produces genetically identical offspring. This ensures the species continues even in isolated populations. Crickets hear with their legs. Crickets have tympanal organs on their front legs that detect vibrations. These ears help them localize sound, find mates, and avoid predators. It's a different sensory strategy from mammals, but equally effective. Insects predate dinosaurs. The oldest insect fossils are about 412 million years old, long before dinosaurs appeared. Many modern insects, like dragonflies, haven't changed much since prehistoric times. They've seen multiple mass extinctions and survived. Butterflies taste with their antennae and feet. Female butterflies use chemoreceptors to identify plants suitable for egg laying. Their antennae detect scents, while their feet test surface chemistry. This multitasking ensures they choose the best environment for their offspring. Cockroach milk is extremely nutritious. The Pacific beetle cockroach gives birth to live young and produces protein crystals to nourish them. These crystals contain all essential amino acids and have 4 times the energy of cow's milk. Scientists are studying them for potential human consumption in the future. So this is the end of the video. I hope you like my video. Which of these facts shocked you the most? Comment down below, like, share and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching till the end.